In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get your PS5 controller out of pairing mode. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you are looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So you will need a USB cable for this. So take the USB cable, connect it here or the back side of your PS5 and then connect this part to your controller. So connect it here and now let's see if the controller is out of pairing mode or not. So now the controller is not out of pairing mode. So now what you have to do is you have to press the PlayStation button and now it's out of the pairing mode. So this is how you can get your PS5 controller out of pairing mode, and thanks for watching.